move on to the paper pads, I do want to show you this other Graphic 45 item that I requested, and that is their traveler's journals or their traveler's notebooks. So this is a brand spanking new product by Graphic 45, and not only do they give you the shape, the traveler's notebook cover, but they also give you the inserts. When you get a package like this, you do get it with 3 inserts, okay, and each insert is going to be different. Now, what is it that makes the Graphic 45 TN traveler's notebooks different from the rest? And I'm going to show you just that. Of course, they all come with the same Graphic 45 quality, and so upon opening it, you will see that this was designed with craft paper, but I hope that you can hear it. It is good quality craft paper. It is very thick, okay, so it's not like something that's going to fall apart on you or anything like that. And so they do come with a pocket. You get a pocket in the front, and I do believe that you get a pocket in the back, okay? And so anyways, with the Graphic 45 traveler's journals, you do get or traveler's notebooks, you do get 3 inserts, and the inserts are going to be different. And you can also the inserts, you can order them as a standalone item as you go through your inserts, or you want to double up on the inserts or whatnot. And so anyways, each of the inserts is going to be with a pocket in the front and also a pocket in the back. Now, the sheets that are used in the Graphic 45 Traveler Notebook inserts are on an off-white, kind of like antique type method, so it's not going to be this pure white sheet, okay? And so of course you get your they've done all the work for you as far as putting the traveler's notebook together, and they go like so. And here is another insert in which you'll see it has the line sheets, and of course you get a pocket there and a pocket in the back, and it has that same vintage tint to it, okay? And here is another one of the inserts, and this one is the graphing lines, and it also has that tint to it. And of course you get a pack in the front and a pocket in the back. Now, when you run out of inserts, or you want to double up on your inserts and you place an order for your inserts as a standalone item, you do get them in a pack of 3, and these are the 3 inserts that you get. So I just wanted to point that out, and I am so looking forward to working with this. You know, I'm a traveler's notebook girl, so yeah, this was a must for me. Now, the other items that I requested for were paper pads, and the paper pad that I requested for this collection, this is the Kaleidoscope collection, and I asked for the 8x8 collection and also the Patterns and Solids collection. Patterns and Solids paper pad from the Kaleidoscope collection. And so I'm gonna do a quick flip through so that, let me see if I could do it like this. Let me go ahead and just do it like this, so that way you can see that you get 3 of each. And isn't that beautiful? And just like so, and like so, and I think I need to turn the light back on. There we go. And it's so beautiful. Just look at all those designs, and I'm trying to go as fast as I can for you. Just like so, like so, like so. And the designs that you see in the 8x8 paper pad are also going to be the same designs that you get in the 12x12 collection. And so, and in the 12x12 collection, you do get 2 of each, and you get sticker sheets, and you get your there we go, just like so. Okay, so that's the 8x8 paper pad in Kaleidoscope, and this is the 12x12 Patterns and Solids in Kaleidoscope. And let me just go, you get 8 pattern solid papers and 2 sheets per design. So let me go ahead and flip through this real quick. So you get 1, 2, just look at these fabulous designs. And I know that I'm going fairly quickly on this, but just so that y'all know, on the back of each design paper, you get a solid. But check this out. Each one of the solid sheets is going to have a design right underneath the solid paper. And I hope that the camera is picking up on this, but it is genius. Absolutely wonderful. So let me go ahead and keep going. And I just love these beautiful colors. And just like so, and like so, and look at this. I just love that. And see this design right here? This is the design that you see underneath the solid sheets on the back of each one of these papers. So that was genius. Okay, so that takes care of the 12 by 12, and I also got the chipboard pieces for Kaleidoscope, and let me just do a slow run through of that so that you can get a very good look of what you get. And what I enjoy about the Graphic 45 chipboard pieces is that when it comes to embellishments, I really don't need to make or come up with my own embellishments because they do all the work for me right here. So there we go. And I also got the Graphic 45 journaling and ephemera cards, and I've already taken them out of the package because of the glare. And so let me go real quick as to what you get. And what's really fun about this collection, I did flip it through before I got on camera. On the back, it's going to be that that vintage white with a vintage black, and I really love that idea. And so here is one card, and you get 2 of each. And you go like so. Like so. Oh, I'm sorry, and I'm not turning them over here. Let me turn this one over so that you can see. And like so. And this one is like so. And like so. Wait, I got, okay, this one goes with this one. So this one goes like this. And see this, isn't that beautiful? And this is what this one looks like. And this is the back. Okay, so that takes care of the journaling cards, the smaller ones. And now let's look at these. And these are the 4x6 ephemera cards or journaling cards. And these ones here are the 3x4. Okay, so let me turn this to the side. And here are the larger ones, just like so. Let me show you the back. And then this one. And not too long ago, I uploaded a video of a mini album tutorial using just a couple of sheets of 12 by 12 paper, and the rest was just journaling cards. Okay, so yeah, I will go ahead and link you to that tutorial right up there and also in the description underneath this video. Whoops, nope, upside down. Here we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. And here's another one. And as you can see, you do get 2 of each design. And, okay, and these 2, just like that. And these, just like so. Okay, I do plan to make, I want to say a minimum of 2 projects with my Kaleidoscope. I went ahead and requested for more purple flowers. And as you can see, they're so beautiful. Okay, so here we go. And I also requested for the Graphic 45 12 by 12 patterns and solids in the Bloom collection. And I want to say something. In my last video, I kept calling the Bloom collection Bloom Where You're Planted, and I saw the Bloom Where You're Planted somewhere, and it just stuck in my head. So when I was talking, I just kept saying Bloom Where You're Planted, Bloom Where You're Planted. But the collection, the name of the collection is actually Bloom. So in the patterns and solids, I thought that these colors were absolutely beautiful. The designs were beautiful. So I decided to get one of these as well. And as you can see, you have a beautiful flowery design. I love the pastel colors in this. It's very gentle. And I'm, and I'm sure that you shabby chic ladies will appreciate this because it's so right up that alley, and it's absolutely scrumptious. I just love these papers. See that? It is so gentle and so, gosh, I can't find another word for it, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's just simply stunning. It's simply stunning, and I love this. And I could see this patterns and solids collection from Bloom. I could see this going with other collections as well, and that's the beauty of Graphic 45. You can pretty much coordinate just about everything from them. And another one that I got was the Graphic 45 12 by 12 12 Days of Christmas Deluxe Collection. Now, the 12 Days of Christmas has some absolutely scrumptious papers, and let me go ahead and do a quick flip through. If you haven't, this collection has been out for a while, and they brought it back out in the deluxe. And so, although I've seen mini albums in these, I've never really looked at this collection up close. And look at this. This is the chipboard pieces, and you get the sticker sheet. Let me go like this so that you can get a good look. Okay, and let's go ahead and do a flip through. I'll try to go as fast as I can. Okay, and we are going to start. We're going to go like this, okay, so that I can be in frame. That's the cover. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm sorry if you hear my doggies barking. And you're going to get 2 of each. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. That's the back of it. And I'm so sorry, I have a Pomeranian, and he's decided to be a little tough man right now. And look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is more stunning live than it is on videos that I have seen. And oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Just gorgeous. Stunning colors. I love it. And look at this. Now, this particular paper design I did work with way back when, okay, but only this design. And look at that, it's beautiful. And look at this green, it's stunning. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, oh my goodness, this is super stunning. Look at that. She reminds me of a lady's diary. She does. Look at this, everything is so stunning. And this is the back. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I'm so glad that I requested for this one because it's so beautiful. I love just about everything, every collection that they come out with. Graphic 45 was my first paper love. Is my first paper love, I should say. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at that. So stunning. I'm sorry, I just tipped the camera. And over here, that is beautiful. And we get some ephemera cards, which is always nice. Look at that. That is so beautiful. You know. Oh, and this is the back. Okay. So you get a choice here, and of course you get the 2 sheets. So that way you actually get a total of 12 journaling cards. Look at that. That's one side and that's the other side. Love this. And here is the last one, and look at this collection. It's absolutely stunning. There goes my doggy again. And this is the back to it. So I'm happy with everything that I've received, and I am so looking forward to bringing you some neat paper crafting ideas and maybe a new way of doing things. And so yeah, I will be this month I will be working on tutorials for you, and I will be uploading them as soon as they are available. And so thank you so very much for watching, and oh my gosh, I can't wait to work with this. And so thank you so very much for watching, and if you are brand spanking new to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to, and remember, I shouldn't say don't forget, my husband keeps correcting me. He's like, you're saying it wrong, Sandy, you're saying it wrong. Okay, and remember to click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I come out with a brand spanking new video project sharing tutorial. Thank you all so very much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.